So I'm out here at a job today in Miranda for a customer who is with Optus, and they've got fibre to the curb. So basically I'm under the house, they're getting constant dropout issues, and I wanted to check for bridge taps, but I can't see any. So this cable, it's coming in aerial, so that's a Telstra 2-pair aerial leading cable. It's a pretty new one. She said it was only put in recently, and as you can see there's just one join, and they've got their other bit of leading cable that just pops up to the hole there. Now that data cable, that's not connected to this cable, that's actually a data cable for Ethernet, but there's no bridge taps on it. So it's basically the socket's connected directly to the network. They've had multiple technicians out here, and the customer's basically saying that when it rains, it's dropping out. So there could be some problem with the DPU in the street, with getting water into it or something. But as you can see, that's the leading cable there, coming in from the wall, where it goes up, and then basically getting there, going onto the pole. And then that's just a join here. There's no bridge taps, and it's just going directly up into the socket. Okay, so yeah, that's it. There's no bridge taps on this. This is a network issue. So now I'm in the lounge room, and you can see that's the black cable that I showed you from downstairs coming up, and that's the Ethernet cable there. So you can see it's not connected to the network. It's actually a separate cable, that Ethernet cable. So there's no bridge taps on this. It's pretty much a straight run from the pole to here. So it's all network, and it's a brand new socket they've got on there too. All right, so there's no issue with this. So this is 100% a network issue. So just outside here, now this join here is where the cable goes back to, right? But the run, it's not going directly from this pole. It goes over to that pole, and then from that pole it shoots across to the house. Right, so they said they replaced the cable that's going from that pole to the house. So this cable here, pretty old, and that join there, you know, I know in some of these, when you pop those off, some of the insulation around the popper that's been exposed to the elements, you can touch that insulation, it just falls away in your hand. Sometimes it's actually that brittle. So if there's any old pairs in there they've connected to, that could potentially be one of the reasons why they're dropping out. Now, it's not our job to get up there and test all that and rejoin things. That's NBN's. So we're doing this video today because this customer's basically at their wit's end. They're running a business out of here, and they've got constant dropout issues. So I've checked everything on their end, all their leads, all their sockets, all their one socket, and all the joins, everything's fine, right? So they might need to get someone out here. It's just gonna take a little bit more time to actually check things properly, because yeah, this is an issue for them. All right, back to you, bye. So the customer's just been, she's keeping some records of what's going on, so she's going to explain.
Yep, this was 11 o'clock yesterday morning.
So 7 ping, 44 download and 18 upload.
And then at 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, it was even lower, but I don't know what the ping means, but the download was 20 megabytes, yep, and the upload was 1, yep, which was insane. And then this was possibly today, maybe, or hang on, yesterday at 2 o'clock.
Right.
And then if I show you today's,
I'm pretty sure they're on a 50-20 plan.
Let me just
which means 50 download, 20 upload.
Here we go. If I show you this, no, if I show you this.
So we're just doing a live speed test now.
See, now it's gone lower than it was this morning. It was 50 odd. Mm. But it just seems to start struggling.
Yeah. Yeah, it's all over the shop, isn't it?
Yeah. And nothing's being, we haven't even got the TV on here.
All right, so you can see the speed test there for yourself.